Today we are going to learn fifth comprehensive problem on fund flow statement. Here we are going to learn about the treatment of provision for depreciation on fixed assets situation 3. In situation 1, provision for depreciation opening balance and closing balance are given in the balance sheet. In second case, the opening balance of provision for depreciation and closing balance of provision for depreciation given in the adjustment. Here, in third situation, the opening balance of provision for depreciation and closing balance of provision for depreciation given in the adjustment. Along with that, information relating to part of asset sold is given. Look at the problem. Sum number 5. The balance sheet of Messrs. Ramu and Somu. Along with the name, the term limited is not given, so we should assume this one as balance sheet of sole trader. So we are preparing fund flow statement of sole trader. Okay. As on 1st January 2006 and on 31st December 2006 were as follows. Liabilities, assets. Asset side cash, debtor, stock, machinery, land, building are given. Asset side credit, liability side creditor, Somo loan from bank and capitals are given. In adjustment, during the year, machine costing 10,000, accumulated depreciation 3,000 was sold for 5,000. Here, the machine costing, a part of machine costing 10,000, its depreciation 3,000, sold for 5,000. So, this is information relating to the part of assets sold. Then, provision for depreciation on machinery as on 1st January 2006 was rupees 25,000 and on 31st December 2006 was rupees 40,000. So, opening provision for depreciation on machinery and closing provision for depreciation on machinery are given. Along with that, part of assets sold information also given. Then at last, the net profit for the year 2006 amounting to 40,000. Since it is a sole trading concern, the profit and loss account not given in the liability side because the net profit included in the capital. So here net profit is given, we have to ascertain the drawings. Yes, now I am going to prepare schedule of changes in working capital. For that, I am going to take current assets. The current assets are cash, debtor, stock. First I am going to take current asset. Cash, opening balance 10,000, closing balance 7,000. So decreasing in working capital 3,000. Then debtor, opening balance 30,000, closing balance 50,000. There is an increasing in working capital 20,000. Then stock, opening balance 35,000. Closing balance 25,000. So decreasing in working capital 10,000. Then we will take current liability. Current liability, here only one item. Creditor is current liability. So creditor's opening balance 40,000. Closing balance 44,000. So creditor is a liability. Liability value increases, which will decrease our working capital. Now we are going to find net increase or decreasing in working capital. In this case, the gross increase total 20,000, the gross decrease total 17,000. So gross increase exceeds the gross decrease, so we will get net increasing in working capital. How much the difference? So 20,000 minus 17,000, 3,000, that we will consider as net increasing in working capital. It will go to the application side. Then we are going to prepare adjusted profit and loss account. We are going to prepare adjusted profit and loss account to find fund from operation. To find fund from operation. This is debit side. This is credit side. I said first we have to prepare capital account because it is a sole trading concern. So capital account, it is a liability. Opening balance recorded in the credit side. Opening balance 1,25,000. Closing balance 1,53,000. In adjustment, either net profit or drawing are given. If net profit is given, it should be credited. The value net profit of the business 45,000. So we have to ascertain drawings to bank balancing figure that we should consider as drawing. So credit side total 1,25,000 plus 45,000. The credit side total 1,70,000. So 1,70,000 minus 1,53,000. So the balancing figure considered as drawings. Then we have to prepare ledger account for loan from bank. Loan from bank. It is a liability. Opening balance credited by opening balance 40,000 to closing balance 50,000. Loan increases, that means our borrowing increases, which results sources increases. By bank, we go to the source. New borrowing from bank rupees 10,000. Then we have to prepare ledger account for SOMU loan. SOMU loan account. Liability opening balance credited. Opening balance credited 25,000. Closing balance nil, which means the loan was completely repaid. It will go to the application side since it is an outflow of cash. To bank application. So liability side we have prepared all ledger account. Then we will move to the asset side. First we have machinery. We should be very careful about machinery. Machinery account. Machinery account, opening provision for depreciation and closing depreciation both are given in the adjustment. So we should consider the machinery's net values are given. So we have to gross up the machinery value. How? To opening balance of machinery 80,000 plus opening balance of provision for depreciation. Provision for depreciation on machinery as on 1st January 2006, how much? 25,000. Total 1,05,000. Likewise, we have to gross up the closing balance of machinery. Closing balance of machinery actual value, net value given 55,000. Closing balance of provision for depreciation on 31st December 2006. Provision for depreciation on machinery rupees 40,000. So closing balance also grossed up. Then we have to prepare provision for depreciation account. We have to prepare provision for depreciation on machinery account. Provision for depreciation on machinery account. It is a liability. Opening balance credited. So opening balance how much? 25,000. Closing balance 40,000. Then here one more information is given. That is, during the year, machine costing 10,000. Machine costing 10,000. So the cost price of the machine 10,000. Its accumulated depreciation 3,000. If we deduct accumulated depreciation from the cost, we'll get book value. Book value how much? 7,000. So 7,000 book value asset sold for 5,000. So sold for 5,000. So book value exceeds the selling price. So 2,000 rupees, that is loss. That is loss on sale of machinery. Then first we should consider the sold asset accumulated depreciation. The sold asset accumulated depreciation should be credited to the machinery account as accumulated depreciation. The sold asset accumulated depreciation should be credited to the machinery account and debited to the provision for depreciation account as machinery. Value 3,000. Then the sold value how much? 5,000. That will go to by bank, that will go to sources, its value 5,000. Then that loss how much? 2,000. It should be transferred to the adjusted profit and loss account. It should be transferred to adjusted profit and loss account. Its value 2,000. Now I am going to balance it. Here the machinery account agreed. The machinery account agreed. Then we have to close the provision for depreciation on machinery, the balancing figure should be transferred to the adjusted profit loss account debit side. So 43,000 minus 25, 18,000, it should be transferred to adjusted profit and loss account. Students, now first we prepared capital account, we ascertained drawings, given is net profit. The net profit should be debited to the adjusted profit loss account. Net profit should be debited to the adjusted profit loss account, its value 45,000. Then loan from bank, the balancing figure appeared in the credit side, that we called loan from bank borrowed. Then SOMU loan balance appeared in the debit side, that repayment of bank loan. Then we prepared machinery account. Here by bank is recorded, this is sale of machinery, accumulated depreciation transferred to the provision for depreciation. Then adjusted profit loss account, this we called loss on sale of machinery. Loss on sale of machinery should be debited to the adjusted profit loss account. To loss on sale of machinery, loss on sale of machinery, its value how much? 2,000. Then accumulated depreciation account, that is provision for depreciation account, we prepared. The balancing value should be transferred to the adjusted profit loss account as provision for depreciation on machinery, or we can say accumulated depreciation on machinery, value 18,000. So till now we prepared ledger account for capital, loan from bank, SOMU loan. Then asset side we prepared ledger account for machinery and for provision for depreciation. Then we have to prepare ledger account for land. Land is an asset, opening balance debited, no more adjustment. So opening balance debited, closing balance credited, value 50,000. Here land value increases, that we consider as purchase of land. It will go to the application side. To bank, it will go to the application side. Then at last we have to prepare ledger account for buildings. It is an asset, opening balance debited, opening balance 35,000, closing balance 60,000. So 60,000 increased. So the balancing figure appeared in the debit side. Balancing figure 25,000. We can record as to bank, that we consider as purchase of building. So students, we prepared all the ledger accounts. After preparing all the ledger accounts, we can balance the adjusting profit loss account. Here adjusting profit loss account, debit side is heavier than credit side. So 65,000. 65,000. So our fund from operation is 65,000. It will go to the sources side. Students, let me prepare fund flow statement. Yes, look at the board. Fund flow statement. It has two sides. Left hand side, sources are recorded. Right hand side, applications are recorded. First we prepared schedule of changes in working capital. We ascertained net increasing in working capital. Net increasing in working capital is application. How much? 3,000. Then we prepared adjusted profit loss account. We ascertained fund from operation. It is a source. 65,000. Then move to the ledger account. We prepared capital account. We ascertained drawings to bank. In capital account, to bank considered to be drawings of the proprietor. Drawings goes to the application side. Drawings during the year. Its value 17,000. Then we prepared loan from bank. The balancing figure appeared in the credit side, that we consider as loan from bank borrowed. How much? 10,000. Then SOMU loan account we prepared. The balancing figure appeared in the debit side, that we will consider as repayment of SOMU loan. Repayment of SOMU's loan, value 25,000. Then we prepared machinery account. Here by bank is recorded, that we consider sale of machinery. Sale of machinery recorded in the sources side. Then we ascertained loss on sale of machinery, that should be transferred to the adjusted profit loss account debit side. Then move to the provision for depreciation account. Provision for depreciation account prepared and the balancing figure transferred to the adjusted profit loss account. It will not come to the fund flow statement. Then we prepared land. Land account balancing figure appeared in the debit side. This we consider as purchase of land. Value 10,000. Then we prepared building account. The balancing figure appeared in the debit side. This is also considered as a purchase of building. We considered all ledger accounts. Then we will total this. Purchase of building value 25,000. Now I am going to total this. First we will total the sources side. It should agree. 65,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000. So the sources side total 80,000. Application side 3,000 plus 17,000 plus 25,000 plus 10,000 plus 25,000. Application side also we got 80,000. Students, we completed fifth comprehensive problem on fund flow statement. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.